Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Let's get started. So first open your Facebook app and log into your account. Then tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the settings icon at the top next to the search icon. Now at the top, tap Account Center. And once you're in the Account Center, scroll down and tap Personal Details, then tap Account Ownership and Control. In here, you'll see an option called deactivation or deletion. Tap on that. And then select the Facebook account that you want to delete, and you'll see two options: deactivate account or delete account. You can read through the information if you're sure, and then choose delete account, then tap continue. And then Facebook will now ask why you want to delete your account. You can pick a reason from the list, then tap continue, and you'll see a message saying, "We're sorry to see you go," and Facebook might give you some suggestions to keep your account. But if you're really sure, tap continue again. Next, you'll get a final warning that once your account is deleted, you won't be able to get it back. So make sure you're completely sure about this. If you're ready, tap continue. Now, enter your Facebook password to confirm it's your account. Finally, tap continue one last time to complete the process, and you'll see a message saying that your account can still be reactivated within 30 days. But after that, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Facebook account will be deleted permanently. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to videos. So much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.